up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome to my channel. I share budget-friendly DIYs and beauty videos. So watch the videos on my channel. If you like it, then subscribe. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can make this cute... Oh wait, let me focus. Yeah. So I'm going to share with you how you can make this cute gifting option for Valentine's. For gifting this, you can put this in a package, cover it up with flower petals and chocolates, depends on you, and you can gift it like this only because it is handmade, and the person that you gift it to will probably like this, because let's be real, if you try to give them something from Archies, they will most probably forget it because it does not add value, it doesn't have that personalized touch to it, and people tend to forget that. So I have a lot of content on Valentine's on my channel. I will list all the videos in a playlist, and you can watch the playlist by clicking that I button right here. And the playlist has like a lot of gifting options in general, not only for Valentine's but in general, so you can go ahead, check them out and see if it works for you. Alright, so without blabbering much, let's get started with the video now. Alright, so the first step is to trace out and cut out the shape that you want your hanging to be in. The shape that I have chosen is a heart. You can go for a simpler shape like a square or even a circle, depends on you. For making the gift, you will need an air dry clay. The one that I'm using is from Fevicryl. It is for 20 rupees a packet. So one packet has two of these. One is the clay and the other one is the hardener, I think. So you have to equally mix both of them together and make it into a dough. I'm just prepping the floor because if I make a mess on the floor, I am out of this house. So prep your base, guys. I'm using powder here so that the clay does not stick to the floor, and after making the dough it will look something like this. You will need something cylindrical to roll, to flatten the clay basically. So if you have a rolling pin, that's amazing, use that. And use a lot of powder, guys. You don't want your clay to stick anywhere, otherwise it will be a mess. After flattening it out, just keep the layout that you made on the clay and start cutting. I am using this knife. You can go ahead and use a paper cutter as well because this is clay and it is soft and it will cut through. So be very careful while using the knife, guys. Keep your hands steady and go slow. Once you are done, remove the excess clay and you will be left out with the shape itself. I rolled up the extra clay and made this snake thingy. I don't know what to call them, guys, I'm so sorry. Let's call them snakes. So I made these snakes, and you can see I'm using glue to paste the snakes around the heart just to make kind of like a rim. And I'm going to make 2 layers of rim, and you can see I'm just smoothing, pasting the clay, smoothing the clay. That's the whole process basically. Also, this is an optional step, like if you don't want to make a rim around your shape, whatever, not around your shape around the shape that you've made. So if you don't want to make a rim, that's totally your call. I think it adds more depth and looks more defined, and this is what it looks like. Next, I just made 2 holes and I just left it to dry. Meanwhile, I printed out some photographs of me, my family and my friends. I'm cutting the pictures very irregularly because I'm not going for that perfect look. After that, I just figured out the placement and I covered everything up with a coat of Mod Podge. If you don't have a Mod Podge, guys, 1:1 ratio of fevicryl and mortar and you have a DIY Mod Podge. Just trying to make this look pretty, and soon I realized it looks like shit. Just now see a dramatic visualization of how shit it looks. Right. So after this happened, I drowned myself into a week of depression and self-doubt, after which I decided to give it another try because that's what you do, you fix the shit that you made. So this is what I'm doing. I made a colored printout. Again, covered everything with a coat of Mod Podge. Leave the Mod Podge to dry, and once it's dry, poke the hole that we made earlier. This is the yarn that I'm going to use to tie. Fevicryl at the ends of the yarn so that it's easier to put through the hole. And I have 2 ways of tying it to the hangings. I'm going to show you both of the options so you can opt for whatever is suitable for you. So the first one is a knot in the front, so you just make 2 knots, secure it properly and then cut off the excess And the second one is wherein you make a knot at the back of the hanging like this, and I kind of like the second one better, so that is what I opted for, and that is what I went ahead with. Whichever is suitable for you, you can go ahead with that, but this is the one that I like. Painted the rim in copper color, finally a color that I like, after trying white and gold. And if you want, you can write a small message at the back. I'm just giving you an idea. I'm just scribbling something, it doesn't make sense. I hope you guys liked the video. I'm finally happy with the result, and I think this can be a really cute gifting option for Valentine's. So let me know what you guys think of it on the comment section down below, and share this video with your friends, guys. If you like it, then please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.